All right, guys. Today we have a quart pot challenge.
Yeah.
Each of the girls have a 2-quart
This is
Dutch
Veronica.
oven. Veronica and Vicky. And today they're doing their take on a cobbler. Dump cake, whatever. Pete, show us what you got.
Alright, so I have the Jiffy classic yellow cake mix and apple filling.
Okay, Bear?
I have cherry filling and blueberry pancake. No, blueberry muffin jiffy mix.
All right. So they're going to do their take on it. And we have the oven already heated up to 350 degrees. And time starts now. What are you doing, Pete?
So I'm putting butter in the bottom of the cast iron pan, just swirling it around for a minute, and then I'm going to put it in the oven while I finish making batter.
Bear, what you got going on?
Making the mix.
Okay, what'd you just add?
1/4 cup of milk. I don't
Okay.
want to crack my egg.
You don't want to?
I don't. You want to crack my egg? Thanks. I don't want to crack it. Is that helpful? Thanks, Peyton.
What'd you just add, Peg?
So I added cold water. It was a 1/2 cup, and I just added my mix.
Okay. And they're stirring vigorously.
Use a spatula and get the stuff out.
Wait, I'm stupid. Hold on.
Careful with the metal.
Blueberry muffin mix on top of cherry.
Well, yeah.
Okay, okay. Let's see what Pay's got going on. Melting her butter. She just pulled her Dutch oven out of the oven. All right.
Don't know why, but it's fine. Can give it extra flavor. This is 15.
Pay's got her butter or her batter going in first.
Ooh, gotta put the lid on.
Bear's got her lid on, and she's going to the oven. Now, Pay, you're putting your filling on top.
Yeah.
Interesting. And Bear comes in,
Got it, Simon.
and she's in. Pay's. All right, they're both in. Guys, so they were in the oven for 350 degrees for how long?
38 minutes.
About 35, 40.
All right. Let me get a close up here and then we'll unveil. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. All right.
I don't know how to do that. It's fine.
Go ahead and plate them up.
I'm gonna hold the side of it. Oh, that noise. Look at it cave in. Oh. I need a fork. Can you hear me? A spoon. Hey.
All right, now let's take it over to our guest judge.
Wait.
Okay, so our guest judge does not want to be on camera, but she's going to taste them and tell you what she thinks. You have number A. So go ahead and try number A, or letter A.
Number 8.
And that is hot. It just came out of the oven. What are your thoughts?
It's good. It's moist. The cake is really moist. The cake seems like it's a little dense next to the fruit.
Okay. Exhibit B.
He doesn't have to go in. Nobody let it exhibits what?
It just needs to be cooked just a little bit longer. I don't like the blueberries with the cherries.
Okay. So which dish would you deem the winner as being one that you would want to eat more of?
He doesn't want to answer.
It's hard. I like cherries. I like the cherry better than apples, but I like that together better than the blueberries and the cherries.
So which one
This
would
one.
you eat? This one here. Alrighty. All right, so the judge picked her dish, and the winner gets the Quart Challenge belt. Yay! All right, that's Smoke of Bears.
Bye. A family that cooks together.
Not finishing that.
Stays together. Have a great week, everybody.